Popular TV face Devolina Bhattacharjee, who is much known for playing Gopi Bahu in Saath Nibhana Sathya and also for season 13 of Bigg Boss, and later she also appeared on Bigg Boss 14. Now the actress is back again on Bigg Boss 15 as a wildcard contestant along with Rashmi Desai and Abhijit Bhijkule. The actress is quite excited to be back on the show as she says that I'm really happy to be again on this show, but of course I'm nervous as it is a roller coaster ride inside the house and anything could happen. When Devolina was asked about her gaming strategy in the house, she said, "Nothing planned yet, it all depends on the game and contestants inside." Now when she is entering the house, Devolina was asked how she looks at Pratik as a contestant. The actress said that she sees Pratik as a biggest challenge. She also appreciated Pratik's game. She said, "I really like his game and he is playing very well, and I always appreciate him as a contestant. I believe he will continue for a long period in the show as his game is very interesting. I found him as the biggest challenge for me inside the house." On talking about Shamita Shetty coming back in the show and how she finds her as a contestant, Devolina said, "Well, frankly speaking, I never liked her game, her attitude and behavior with other contestants. If she will do the same with me, I will treat her the same way. If I will get bitter treatment from her, I will give her back that only." Devolina says that Vishal Kotiyan is the biggest player. Vishal's game is crystal clear to everyone, and how someone can be called a strong player if his strategies and plans are all revealed to the housemates and audience also. For Devolina, getting inside with Rashmi is one of the best things. Actually, going inside with her is the biggest hope and relief for me. Devolina hopes to win the Bigg Boss trophy. Not only winning in this game will be a big achievement for me, but it will also break the chain that wildcard contestants stand to win. And then there will be more wildcard entries in the show, concludes the actress. The weekend cover episode of Bigg Boss 15 saw special guest Bharti Singh shaking a leg with host and superstar Salman Khan. Her husband Harsh Limbachia also joined them. Later, Salman interacted with John Abraham and Satyamev Jayate 2 co-star Divya Khosla Kumar. He asked them to deliver a few dialogues from the movie. Then, John along with Salman and Divya danced on the tunes of the track Tenu Lehenga from Satyamev Jayate 2. Furthermore, Salman Khan gave tasks to the contestants in which they have to pass and fail one housemate each on the basis of their performance inside their house and contribution to the show. This creates a verbal spat between the contestants as they start sharing their opinions about each other. Salman Khan announced that no eviction will happen this week. However, in the next 24 hours, only the top 5 contenders will be left standing. Rest all will be eliminated. Now, the media has already opted for bottom 6 contestants in the press conference, including Rajiv Adatya, Simba Nagpal, Neha Bhasin, Vishal Kotiyan, Jai Bhagyashali and Umar Riaz. None of them are VIPs any longer and they have to give up those privileges. The wildcard contestants will enter as VIP contestants. Bigg Boss 15 airs on Colors.